Contrary to popular belief, you do not need to be able to defy gravity in order to master double unders. If you're struggling to learn double unders, chances are it's because you're practicing the wrong things. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 2 skills that you have to master in order to be able to crush double unders. Let's do this. Chances are when you make your transition from singles to double under attempt, you don't look like this. You look more like this. The problem here is you haven't developed any kind of rope speed. You practice slow singles and therefore haven't developed any kind of rope speed control. So now it becomes a guessing game on how high to jump and how fast to spin the rope, which you have no idea or feel for either one. The truth is you don't need crazy speed to complete a double under, as shown here, but maintaining doubles at this speed is pretty much impossible. The key is practicing your singles at a double under speed. It teaches you 2 very important skills: how to move the rope at a fast pace and maintain it for longer periods of time, and how to quickly get off the ground. Both are vital skills that you must learn to master double unders. Building rope speed or tempo control is simple. Start jumping at a slow pace. Very gradually begin to add speed until you are at the fastest speed in which you are still maintaining control of the rope. In other words, you're not going to be tripping up constantly. Then gradually decrease your speed back down and repeat. As you get more comfortable with the different speeds, begin to make the shift to fast speeds quickly. This will help you develop your reaction speed and help you practice getting off the ground quickly while still maintaining a low jump. Here's an example of reaching double under speed with singles with a smooth transition into a double and right back to singles. Notice how you can't see any change in rope speed between the 2. You can do the same tempo drill with the alternate leg skill to ultimately reach your fastest speeds. Hey, if you're finding this video helpful, smash that like button down below so I know to make more videos like this one. Let's get back to it. Now practice maintaining your top controllable speed for as long as you can to build stamina in your speed technique. Aim to maintain this speed for 20 to 30 seconds. Rope rotation comes from the wrists and maintain tightness in the rope. You don't want to feel any slack because that means your wrists are out of sync. You should have a constant pull on the rope, maintaining the speed. Now you can practice transitioning from max speed basic jump to alternate leg. This will help you develop the ability to transition to a new skill at higher speeds and will mimic the transition to double unders. You can now practice adding in a double with your max speed singles as shown here. And when you're feeling good with your rope speed and jump height, try stringing some doubles together. Bonus tip, don't jump too early. Wait to jump as long as possible. This will be a trial and error session, but you will figure it out quickly. Doing this will give you maximum airtime while the rope makes a second complete rotation and help you to be more successful with your double under attempts. There you go, master those 2 skills and I guarantee that you're going to learn double unders much faster down the road. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button so I know to make more videos like this one. And yeah, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos coming at you every week. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.